Hello, in this video we will discuss about call by value and call by reference. On the basis of passing parameters to a function, functions can be revoked in two ways, call by value and call by reference method. Now, call by value and call by reference, there are certain differences. In call by value, the values are passed to the functions, which means that the actual values or the actual parameters are passed to the functions, while in call by reference, the location or the address of the variable is passed to the function. In call by value, the actual parameters are copied to the function's formal parameters, which means that the actual and the formal parameters are stored at two separate memory locations, so any changes made inside functions are not reflected in the actual parameters of the caller. Now, in call by reference, actual and formal parameter refer to the same memory location, so any changes made inside the function are reflected in the actual parameters of the caller. Now, let's look at a code to understand these concepts better. So now in this code we will discuss about the call by value method of calling. In the first line there is the function prototype, then inside the main we are declaring two integer variables a and b with the values 10 and 20 respectively. These are the actual parameters. Then we are calling the function swap x. Inside the function swap x we are using the third variable logic to swap the two numbers and then printing the swapped variables, which we are naming as x and y. Now in the main functions we are having another printf statement which will print the values of a and b, which are the actual parameters. Now let's run the code. As you can see that the first line which displays x and y, that is 20 and 10, which displays the swapped variables, but when we are using the printf statement inside the main, which is printing the values a and b, it is showing the original values of a and b because the value of the actual parameters are copied to the formal parameter and the two parameters are stored at different locations in the memory, so any changes done to the parameters inside the function call is not reflected back to the actual parameters. Now in this code we will discuss about the call by reference method of function call. Now as you can see in the function prototype that the arguments passed are in the form of pointers. Pointers are variables that stores the address of another variable. So in the main function, after declaring the variables a and b with values 10 and 20, we are calling the function. Note that when we are calling the function we are using ampersand a and ampersand b because when we are using pointer variables we are accessing the memory of it, so we are using the ampersand symbol. Now the control of the function goes to the function definition, and here also we are using the third variable approach to swap the two variables, and we are using the printf function to print the swapped variable. Now when the control of the function returns back to the main, we are printing the values of a and b. Now let's run the program. As you can see that within the printf of the function definition, the variables are swapped, and after it comes out of the controller comes out of the function and we are printing the values of a and b, which are the actual parameters. The values of the actual parameters are also modified and they have the same value as that of the formal parameters. And that's all for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.